Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss 7 tips on how to become a good social media user. Social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives, and it's essential to use to be a good social media user wisely to have a positive impact on society. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1 is to be respectful. Respect is crucial when it comes to using social media platforms. You should always be mindful of your language and tone while communicating with others online. Avoid using abusive or hateful language and respect others' opinions and beliefs, even if they differ from yours. Tip number 2 is to think before you post. The things you post online can have a lasting impact on your reputation and the people around you. Therefore, it's essential to think before you post anything on social media platforms. Ensure that your posts are appropriate, and they don't contain any content that can harm others. Tip number 3 is to be authentic. Authenticity is key to building trust and credibility on social media. Don't try to be someone you're not or post content that doesn't represent who you are. Your followers will appreciate your honesty, and it will help you build a loyal following. Tip number 4 is to engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way communication channel, and it's essential to engage with your followers. Respond to their comments and messages, and show them that you value their opinions. It will help you build a stronger relationship with your audience and grow your following. Tip number 5 is to be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to social media. Post regularly, and try to maintain a consistent theme and tone across all your platforms. It will help you build a recognizable brand and attract more followers. Tip number 6 is to be mindful of your privacy. Social media platforms can be great tools to connect with others, but it's essential to be mindful of your privacy. Don't share personal information that can compromise your security or put you at risk. Ensure that your privacy settings are up to date, and only share content that you're comfortable with. Tip number 7 is to be a responsible user. Social media platforms can be great tools to spread information and create positive change. However, it's crucial to be a responsible user and not spread misinformation or hate speech. Before sharing anything, ensure that the information is accurate, and it doesn't harm others. In conclusion, social media is a powerful tool, and it's essential to use it responsibly. By following these 7 tips, you can become a good social media user and have a positive impact on society. Thank you for watching.